If SD appears in the display, then an oversudsing condition has occurred. This is usually a result of one or more things. A non-HE detergent was used. Too much detergent was used for the load size, soil level, and/or water conditions such as soft water. The label on each detergent will have instructions on the amount of detergent required for each of these conditions. When excessive suds are detected during spin, the washer will initiate a suds routine automatically. At this point, the washer will stop and fill with cold water. After 5 minutes, a pump out and spin will start. If the suds condition has been alleviated, then the washer will continue and finish the cycle. If the suds condition still exists, another suds routine of filling with cold water and standing for 5 minutes will take place. Some models will only perform the suds routine a certain number of times before it terminates the cycle and gives the error code.